Thank you very much, Mark. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to this meeting of the Voluntary Early Retirement Redundancy Panel on the 17th of July. Sorry, 15th of July. 15th of July 2026. Um, we're fully quorate this morning, and it's another lovely morning to undertake this meeting. First of all, do we have any declarations of interest, please?
Um, yeah, maybe one. I know one of the people that was on here, Lizanne from Cwmlai. I'm the governor of the school, so but it's not really an interest, is
Okay.
it?
I think it would be personal, Councillor Greer, and
There
rather
we
than
go.
prejudicial, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
It'd be just
yeah, yeah.
personal.
Yes,
Lovely.
yes.
Diolch.
Okay, thank you very much, Councillor Greal. Anybody else? I absolutely don't know anybody myself. Okay, on to the minutes of the meeting in June, which I was present at. Happy to move those minutes as correct and accurate.
I'm happy to second those, Chair.
Thank you very much, Councillor Webber. Okay, well, thank you very much. So without further ado, we will proceed to the main body of the meeting. And this morning, that will be conducted by Officer Michelle Lindley in the absence of Richard from
Um,
HM.
Do we need to stop the recording before?
yeah, Chair, we need to pass the necessary resolution
Oh,
on
right.
agenda item number 3. So if I move that we pass the undermentioned resolution that the present public be excluded under paragraph 12, part 4 of the Schedule 12A of the Act,
Yes.
I think that will put it in order, Mark, to stop the
Thank you.
recording.
Thank you very much, Maureen.